With just 4 months to go before the official launch of the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, most of the key specs have already surfaced. Now, fresh leaks have revealed detailed camera specifications for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and they point to a significant leap in low-light photography performance. Magnifying glass tilted left Galaxy S26 Ultra camera specs unveiled. Renowned tipster at Universeyes has shared the full quad camera setup for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. 200MP primary sensor with f1.4 aperture. 50MP ultrawide lens with f1.9 aperture. 12MP telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture and 3x optical zoom. 50MP super telephoto lens with f2.9 aperture and 5x optical zoom. Compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the new model features wider apertures on both the primary and super telephoto lenses, allowing significantly more light into the sensor. Crescent moon low-light photography gets a boost. Thanks to the wider apertures, the primary camera can capture 47% more light than its predecessor. The telephoto lens can absorb 38% more light, reducing image noise and improving clarity. This means sharper, more detailed photos in dim environments, ideal for night shots, indoor photography, and low-light scenes. Magnifying glass tilted left telephoto lens gets a resolution upgrade. The 12MP telephoto camera on the Galaxy S26 Ultra also offers a 20% resolution increase over the Galaxy S25 Ultra's 10MP version. Expect crisper zoomed-in shots with enhanced detail and texture. Selfie front camera, no major changes. While the rear camera system is getting a serious upgrade, reports suggest that Samsung won't be updating the front-facing camera hardware in the Galaxy S26 series. In contrast, Apple's iPhone 17 lineup is rumored to feature a 24MP selfie camera, doubling the resolution of the iPhone 16's 12MP front shooter. Shopping bags bonus tip: Galaxy S25 FE offers still available. If you're not ready to wait for the S26 Ultra, Samsung's Galaxy S25 FE is still available with promotional benefits, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers.